Hi y'all, welcome back. Bull Guy with Camera here. Today we're gonna test out these BTF lighting. These are the Smart Fairy string lights. They're RGBs. They're waterproof. You can basically use them indoor, outdoor, whatever you need it for. Basically, we'll go into what I'm gonna use them for in a minute here. But so these are the lights, and you guys see they got a flat back. They got a little dome for the LED. And they're super thin, right? 33 feet. And what else we got in this little package? So we got the remote control, right? Then we got the controller. So just like, and that's all it really comes with. It's got a little instruction booklet. What I'm going to use these lights for, I've already plugged them in and tested them out. They're super bright. I definitely really like them, but I was trying to come up with a project that I could use these for, and I had a couple different ideas. Now basically what my idea is going to be is I'm going to put these lights on this Merry Christmas sign. That's what we're going to do. And we're going to put this on our leaping arches right in the middle. We're going to check that out. So basically I'm just going to take these lights, I'm going to run them all around the letters, I'm going to staple them down, and I'm going to come back and show you guys what these lights do at nighttime. You guys are going to fall in love with these things, I promise you. They're great lights. Everything I've gotten so far from BTF is above and beyond quality, right? I haven't had any issues with them. Everything I order comes on time. The quality's there. So a big shout out to BTF Lighting, especially for sending me these lights. And they were supposed to send me a 5-volt controller. I did not get that yet, but I'm sure I'll get it sooner or later. I'm sorry, a 5-volt power supply. So we're going to check that out with the nodes and go from there. But let's go ahead and put this project together. Super simple. We'll hang it, we'll light it up at nighttime, and you guys are gonna love these lights. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, so as you can see, I decided to go ahead and use these lights to make a mini tree on the side of my house. So on this side of the house, I basically just have the blow-ups and stuff, so I just wanted to add a lot of color to this side, and these lights work out perfect for me. They're super bright. You can definitely see them way far away. You can go through the settings, and you have like, you could do red, green, blue, and then you can go through the different modes. So you got like the rainbow. I don't know what the settings are called, guys, but I'll just go through a few of them so you can see. That's fire. I love that one. And then once you're on fire, you can click it and then it'll change it to like red fire, or it'll do like blue fire. You can do different colors, right? So once you find the setting, you go to another part of the remote control and you can change it up. You got your red, white, and blue, which is really cool looking. I hope it's coming out as good as it looks on the camera as I'm looking at it, right? But it has different settings, like I said. So that's rainbow. You could do the meteor. You could do stars, fire again. It's got timer built in, it's got all that stuff, and it's got music sync, right? So I just put it on music sync and I'll just do some claps. So you could, you could add it to your music, which is awesome, right? It's got different settings for music, so different colors, and you can change the colors and all that stuff. So these are going to be my top pick for the year, guys, because I think you could use them in so many different ways, which I really like. You can use these to outline your windows because they're so small. You can make LED signs, candy canes. Basically, you can do anything you want with these lights because they're so thin, and you can attach them real easy. I started to make a sign. I was going to outline Merry Christmas, and then I decided to go a different route with that, so I decided to make this little mini tree. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to share these lights with you, And as always, I hope everybody's staying safe. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you can. I greatly appreciate it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next video.